Here's a fascinating fact. Modern directional drilling can reach oil reserves up to 7 miles away from the drilling location. That's like drilling from one side of Manhattan to the other. This incredible capability has revolutionized how we access oil and gas resources. Many drilling organizations struggle with the technical complexities of directional drilling operations. Without properly trained personnel, companies face costly wellbore problems, missed targets, and extended drilling times. These issues can turn potentially profitable wells into financial burdens. For drilling professionals and teams, the pressure to deliver accurate wellbore placement while maintaining optimal drilling performance creates significant stress. Many feel uncertain about making critical decisions regarding trajectory planning, tool selection, and problem-solving during complex operations. This specialized certification program addresses these challenges by providing comprehensive training in directional drilling technology and techniques. You'll master everything from well planning and trajectory design to advanced drilling tools and real-time decision-making processes. The program offers hands-on experience with industry-standard software and tools. You'll learn from experienced directional drillers who share practical insights into successful wellbore placement, problem avoidance, and efficient drilling practices. Real-world case studies demonstrate both successes and learning opportunities from challenging projects. Organizations witness substantial improvements after their teams complete this certification. They report better wellbore quality, reduced drilling time, and fewer costly mistakes. Many see significant improvements in their ability to access challenging reserves while maintaining cost-effective operations. For individuals, this certification opens doors to advanced roles in directional drilling. Participants gain confidence in handling complex well trajectories and develop the expertise needed to lead challenging drilling projects. Their enhanced skills make them valuable assets in an industry where precision and efficiency are paramount. Take control of your future in directional drilling. Join this certification program to gain the expertise needed to excel in this specialized field. Enroll now to become a skilled directional drilling professional and advance your career in this dynamic industry.